Anong pipiliin ko dito? Awesome. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Okay. The image below is characteristic of which country? Japan. Kala nyo movie and TV. In which film does Harrison Ford play the Dr. Indiana Jones? Alam ko yan. Napanood ko to. Okay. Geography. Oregon is a state of which country? The United States. Malamang. Isa pa. Sport. In which sport do competitors wear protective mask and jacket? Fencing. Ay, wala na explanation. Go na. Culture. What is traditionally worn by graduates during their ceremonies? Cap and gown. Malamang. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Culture. Who was Walt Whitman? Composer, poet, writer, journalist, conductor, chemical. Walt Whitman. Chemical? Bay ng bobo. Joke lang. Hala, na zero na ako. Double question. What is in this picture? Asparagus. Nature. What is meant by flora and fauna? Plants and animals in a region. Dito tayo. Culture. Who was Walt Scott? A historian. All of this option. A writer, a poet. Poet? Ngek. All of this option. Ba yan? Mali na naman ako. Who is Ewan Macken? An actor to Bonus question. Historically, why did people start to prepare presents on Christmas? To express grief, to express hatred, to express respect and gratitude, to express sadness? Malamang ito. Geography. What country? Huwag ka nga muna. What country experiences the most tornadoes? USA, malamang. Geography. Where is Taj Mahal? India. Alam ko to, no? Culture. The Gibb brothers are known as Bee Gees. Alam ko to. Baka may reward pa akong 50 Kukubra kaya yan? Hindi naman. In culture, what popular fast food item is made by forming and frying ground beef? Hamburger. Alam ko to. Okay, nature. Which plant is known for its thorny stem and beautiful flowers. Rose. Oh, alam ko yan. Now, what is the name of the singer in the photo? Barbara Streisand. Oh, alam ko to. Ang galing. Ayan. Pick a chest. Siyempre, dito tayo sa gitna. Oh. 100 claim reward. In which country is Florida State University located? Malamang United States. Ito naman, common sense naman. Asan ba ang Florida? Bonus question. What is the name of this feline? Malamang the South China Tiger. Lucky guess. Ang galing. Yuhu! Panalo na ako. Yay! Level 1 completed. O kaya, ayan. So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong game na to, panoorin nyo na lang ako sa level 2. Next time around. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. And join with me next time in answering those questions. This is me, Midnight Owl. Bye!